afternoon, as you all know. I'm Joel Amarosa, and I'm here in my car. For this afternoon, I am going to discuss with you about the advantages about the filling up the car tires with nitrogen. Um, Anyone of you have any knowledge about uh, car tires filled with nitrogen air? I guess none, but maybe some of you do. Who else are using nitrogen-filled car tires? Escort teams are using nitrogen so they can more accurately predict the fluctuation of tires, of the pressure of the tires. These cars runs really fast on an oval track for hours, and then the next day, and the next day, and the next week. That makes the temperature of tires get hot if you're just using an ordinary oxygen air. Commercial aircrafts, armored personal carriers, those transporters who carry tons of weight are all using nitrogen air. Sounds pretty cool, right? I mean, you can get it for an affordable price, and it will also give you a better life in the long run. Well, basically, nitrogen is an odorless and does not react with other gases that makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while the other 21% is the oxygen and 1% for the other gases and for the water vapor. I have plenty of advantages to use nitrogen air instead of normal oxygen in tires. Just to point some of it, first is the longer span of the tires, because nitrogen air maintains the recommended proper pressure on the road longer even though you are driving on a hot sunny day. The more consistent pressure means the more that your tires would not wear fast. There is more, by replacing oxygen with nitrogen, there is less oxidation. Oxidation occurs when oxygen reacts at high temperature and pressures, and it also damages your inner liners, bed packages, also your rims, which is very expensive. In fact, some manufacturers claim nitrogen use extends rim life by 25%. Also, with nitrogen, you won't have to have your tires serviced as often, and in the long run, you'll buy fewer tires. This, this means fewer manufactured tires, decreasing the use for natural resources. Also, manufacturers will decrease the shipment of tires, which of course helps our environment. When I was still using oxygen tires, I always need to go to gasoline stations to have my tires checked if it is still okay, if everything's okay. But now that I have converted to nitrogen, I only check my pressure once in 2 months. The air is still the same. It may also last for almost half a year. Also had this experience while I'm on my way home from Laguna that one of my tire of my car burst due to its high temperature and thin linings. That was a very bad experience for me, but good thing I know how to change my tire. Second advantage is the fuel efficiency of the car. With the gas prices going up every single day, I guess everyone wants to have a more fuel efficient car. It lessens your fuel cost since nitrogen has a lighter weight. Lighter weight means less fuel consumption. Just what I have said a while ago, nitrogen in your tires maintains proper pressure. It reduces the rolling resistance, which then translates to better fuel economy. Nitrogen also gives a safer ride, not just for you, but it is for everyone. Every day as we drive from house to school, air is constantly escaping through the layers of the tires. Oxygen molecules, which are smaller than nitrogen molecules, passes through your tires from 4 to 5 times faster. With the nitrogen filled on tires, proper recommended pressure is to avoid the blowout of tires, which leads to terrible accidents on the major highways and collision with other vehicles. Like, just remember this one. Like what Edward quoted, precaution is better than cure. Okay, I'm Gerald Amorosa, and just remember, nitrogen is better than oxygen tires for your cars, also other vehicles.